Now they're sanding. Where's that?
There they go.
On,
They got
baby.
it. They got it. They got it. They got it. They don't got it. They got it. Now, how do you keep it there and try to pull it out?
That's what I was wondering.
Because it just still under tension.
It's just going to fall right back down again.
Yeah. Yep, there it goes.
And they can't quite flip it all the way up.
And if they can't drag it onto the road...
God, I wouldn't be stepping over that chain.
I wouldn't either.
I wouldn't be underneath it. Oh, he's not. Okay, good.
Nuts it go. I wouldn't stand on the other side of the truck either.
I don't think he was. It just looked like he was.
Whoa.
Here it comes. Windshield wiper. I got a big drip.
It's coming again.
Don't worry about it. It's okay.
You have video mode, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, they can hear us.
Yeah.
Drag it out backwards. It's got to be unbalanced if there's a load in there at all. It's
Oh,
all
that's a
shifted.
good point, too. I wonder if there is a load in there.